So tell us a little bit about Heath. Like, what do you guys do? Where you guys are at?
Sure. Yeah, we're on-demand heavy equipment mechanics. So we fix heavy equipment, repair like big, large excavators, wheel loaders, and we do it out on the customer job site. And it's done through. This is a new channel. If you were, legacy customers, they would have a machine break, and really, you had one option. You'd call the cat dealer, or you'd call the John Deere dealer.
Hmm.
And what has existed for a long time is there's a tremendous backlog for
Mm.
available mechanics. So a common customer experience is my excavator breaks. I literally call a landline, or maybe I have a mobile number, and
Hmm.
the answer I get 98% of the time is, "Yeah, okay, we're 2 weeks out."
4 weeks.
Yep.
Hmm.
And as a customer, that is death. You've got a
Hmm.
$400,000 machine that's just sitting there on a job site. You have a crew assigned to the machine. So you have
Yeah.
now 6 to 8 people who are standing around that you're paying.
Yeah.
And then,
Or you get another one.
there's a domino effect. And so what I found, because I have 20 years of industry experience, what I found years ago was, because I worked at a dealership, I found really talented mechanics quitting. And my assumption was, when I found out, okay, the cat dealer paid him $5 more to hire him away from us. And when I started asking around, the answer was no, that person went independent. And
Mm.
I was like, interesting. Tell me more about that. And what was happening was the mechanics, and still are to this day, are grossly underpaid for their skill set. So, and I'm sure everyone on this call has seen this play out in plenty of other industries. Um, we were paying them on the top end like $40 an hour and billing them at 180, $200 an hour. And these mechanics who have all the leverage because they're in short supply in the market are like, I haven't had a raise in 12 months or 18 months. Why don't I go start my own business? Create an LLC.
Hmm.
I already know the customers because I've been at the dealer for 8 to 10, 12 years or more. And so we built a business building the technology layer that provides visibility of all of these like former cat dealer mechanics to customers. And now
Hmm.
technicians who are independent can earn market rate. So we have a lot of technicians on our app who are 140 an hour, 150 an hour. We add a markup on top. But the customer gets to pick from available mechanics that are close to them, and we show them their
Hmm.
skills, we show them their background, their resume, where they used.
So it's a marketplace for breakdowns,
It's
kind
a
of.
labor marketplace for heavy machinery repairs.